In this brief video, we will outline how TOZ Store, referred to as E3DB in our SDKs, encrypts, stores, and securely shares data. TOZ Store is an end-to-end encrypted database that operates with a NoSQL-style interface, ensuring that sensitive information remains private and protected. Data begins its life on your device, whether it's a laptop, server, or mobile phone. It is structured as JSON, or in a format that can be converted to JSON. All cryptographic operations happen directly on the client, meaning your device handles encryption before the data is transmitted. Sensitive data is never sent in plain text and is inaccessible to TOZ Store. On your device, a data key is generated to encrypt the JSON data efficiently using the symmetric AES cipher. To facilitate sharing, an authorization key, another symmetric AES key, is created. The data key is encrypted with the authorization key, which is then further encrypted with an asymmetric RSA key pair. To enable sharing, the encrypted data, along with your public key, is stored on the TOZ Store server. To decrypt data, you simply reverse the encryption steps, first retrieving and decrypting the authorization key, then using it to decrypt the data key, and finally decrypting the data itself, all of which happens on your client device. Private data sharing follows a similar process. Each user has a unique public-private key pair, with their private keys stored securely on their device. The public key is registered with TOZ Store for convenience, or it can be exchanged out of band. When sharing data, you retrieve the recipient's public key and the authorization key for the data you want to share. The authorization key is decrypted with your private key, then re-encrypted using the recipient's public key, and stored securely in TOZ Store. For the receiving party, the process mirrors yours. They retrieve the encrypted authorization key and decrypt it using their private key. Then they decrypt the data key with the authorization key, and finally, decrypt the data itself with the data key. This is how TOZ Store, formerly known as E3DB, ensures secure encryption, decryption, and data sharing through end-to-end encryption.